My name is Rosalind Harris. I'm at 205 Cedar Street in Belmont. It just went boom. Hail, quarter-size hail balls were falling. And, I didn't even know the tree was on the house until my neighbor came to see if we were okay and saw all the devastation. It's crazy. Pray for us.
Cheryl Hart. I was coming down the road to my house on Todd Street, got caught in it. The wind almost carried me away. The hail started beating, and then when I got in the house, it felt like gas had went off or something, just like an explosion. And now we're flooded. I got trees done come down, all down. More than a thunderstorm came through here. Yeah, more than a thunderstorm.